Laminated fabrics and vinyl are incredibly fun to use, but not always the easiest things to sew with. If you don't have the part specific for fabric that likes to stick, or if you just want some extra smoothness, you can add matte tape to the underside of your foot and cut out where the needle goes. This should help it glide through as you sew. Even though it's fragile, paper can be used in all sorts of sewing projects. You can use a whip stitch or something similar to help prevent breakage. And for some extra reinforcement, you can always add a strip of fabric or ribbon on the back. Craft foam is a really popular material right now for costumes because of its versatility. I like to use it for giving parts of a costume some volume and keeping fabric from folding in on itself, such as sewing craft foam into the cuffs of sleeves or into a popped collar. I really like to recycle cellophane and plastic food wrappers into some of my art projects, not limited to wearing them as ball gowns. To keep the plastic from breaking, make sure that the edge is completely smooth and there's no little cuts or dips. And then on that edge, reinforce it with a strip of interface or ribbon or some kind of fabric that will help keep the plastic from breaking while you sew. Can you sew cardboard using a sewing machine? Yeah. Keep it within about a 1/4 inch width and you can sew it just fine with a Singer Heavy Duty. This is great for projects that need a bit more structure to their parts or will be moving around a lot.